Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute Snow White. To begin, you can use a pencil or a marker. Let's begin. First, we're going to start with making a V shape, having one diagonal line right there and another. Next, we're going to make a line going up and another line going up and a curved line going down. This is going to be her hair. Hope I'm not keeping you too much in suspense and making another curved line right there. Great, let's start making her beautiful hair. So it's gonna kind of come around all here and then go all around on top. So we're gonna make a really big long line, starting by her chinny chin chin, going up a little bit of a wave, and then stopping right there. So going down, up, curve in a little bit, around, and down. Now, my lines don't have to look exactly like your lines. It's okay if ours is different. So I'm going to start here in the middle, and then I'm going to work my way around. So right here in the center, where my pen is, we're going to make a circle, and that's going to be her puffy sleeves. So I'm going to start right here, making my way around, and then I'm going to make another puffy sleeve right over here. Right in between the two circles, we're going to make a V shape that connects those two circles. And boom, there it is, super tiny. And we're gonna make another rectangle shape on both sides. This is her cute white color. Let's make Snow White's shirt. We're gonna make a vertical line going down, another vertical line going down on the other side, and a horizontal line right there. And let's make her arms. So that is a very narrow V shape. Going down, perfect. And we're making another line right here. Sweet. And the bottom of her dress, diagonal line going down. Another diagonal line going the other way. And let's connect the sides. So we have a line right here, and then I'm going to go a little up and curve, a little up and curve. Little L shapes, very fluffy L shapes. That's a good way to explain it. Okay, so let's get some accessories on Snow White. I'm going to make a circle right up here on her hair, then a bow. So we're going to have a diagonal line here, another diagonal line on the bottom, and connect. A diagonal line here, another diagonal line right there, and connect. Awesome. Let's make the straps to her bow. I'm going to space it out a little bit and make a curved rectangle shape right here. Then we're going to make a curved triangular shape on the other side. So don't do anything just yet until you see what it looks like. There you go. Let's get some facial features. Okay, we're gonna start with the eye by making an oval shape over here and a tiny circle on the top and another tiny circle on the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the other side, another oval shape, a tiny circle on the top and another tiny circle on the bottom. I'm gonna just quickly color this in. Okay, cool. Let's make the eyebrows right there and another curved line for the eyebrow right there. A tiny little smile. And I'm gonna make her mouth open and an M shape for her tongue. Awesome, we did it. Our Snow White is complete and now we're ready to color. I really hope that you enjoyed drawing Snow White and that you will send me a picture of your drawing. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.